How to design an effective training program T&D planning step by step. Welcome back. We've all been there. You're sitting in a mandatory training session, staring at 50 slides of dense text, wondering, why am I here? When training fails, it's usually not the content's fault, it's the design. A great training session doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. In the world of HRD, training and development, T&D, is the key to closing skill gaps and increasing productivity. In this video, we break down the ADDIE model and show you how to plan and design training programs that actually deliver results in 2026. Today, we are going behind the scenes of the HRD department to show you how to move from boring lectures to strategic growth by mastering the art of training design and planning. Section 1. The DNA Training Needs Analysis. You can't build a house without a site survey, and you can't build a training program without a TNA. Before you pick a topic, you must ask: 1. Organizational analysis. Where is the business going? Example, are we moving to AI? 2. Task analysis. What specific skills are missing from the workflow? 3. Person analysis. Who specifically needs the help? Training isn't always the answer. If an employee has the skill but lacks motivation, that's a management issue, not a training issue. Section 2. The ADDIE model, the gold standard. To keep your planning organized, use the ADDIE framework. A. Analysis, which we just covered. D. Design. This is where you set your learning objectives. What should the employee be able to do after 60 minutes? Use the SMART goal framework here. D. Development. This is the creation phase, building the slides, the videos, or the interactive simulations. I. Implementation. Launching the training. Is it in person, a webinar, or self-paced on an LMS? E. Evaluation. Did it work? We use the Kirkpatrick model to measure reaction, learning, behavior change, and ultimately, ROI. Section 3. Modern Design Trends, 2026 edition. In 2026, people learn differently. When planning, consider these 3 trends. 1. Microlearning. 3 to 5 minute bursts of information are 20% more effective for retention than long seminars. 2. Gamification. Use leaderboards, badges, or challenges to make the learning sticky. 3. AI personalization. Designing paths that adapt based on the learner's previous knowledge. Section 4. The logistics of planning. A great designer is also a great project manager. Your plan must include budget. Who is paying for the external speakers or software? Timeline. When is the best time to train without hurting operations? Hint, not during your busiest sales week. Resources, room booking, snacks, yes, they matter, and tech checks. Conclusion and call to action. Remember, training and development is an investment, not an expense. When you design with the end goal in mind, you transform your workforce into a competitive powerhouse. I've linked a training program design template in the description to help you plan your next session. What's the best training session you've ever attended? What made it stick? Let's share ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more HRD deep dives. See you in the next video.